if you are looking for an awesome 16 line self-leveling 360-degree laser, you're absolutely going to love this. This thing is awesome. So right out the back, so you got this tripod right over here. This starts at 14.96 inches and can go up to a little over 40. All you'd have to do is take these legs right over here, open that up, and it'll get bigger. I have it on this shelf right over here so you can kind of see a little bit better. So right over here, this is what we have. This is the tripod. If you want to adjust this, we could turn that and it would go sideways. You have the height, you have vertical right over here. One of the coolest parts as well comes with this remote right over here. So we want to do more. See, you got the double line here. You can turn that off. If you want to go vertical, you'll see it is going vertical just like that as well. If you wanted to add more lines, you could do that as well. This thing is absolutely awesome. It's easy to travel with on the go. Super small, super compact. All you have to do is put this on the tripod, screw it on, put a battery in there. It comes with 2 batteries. It comes with the charger. Really easy instructions as well. So if you're looking for a great laser level, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.